The founder of TRON has laid down some serious alpha that no one is talking about in crypto. I absolutely cannot believe it. When you hear this, it's going to blow your mind and it's going to start making you think about, hey, wait a second. Does this mean that in the nearby future, we could have a $200,000 Bitcoin? Listen up, okay? This is some serious hot alpha I'm going to drop on you. You're only going to get this here on Conquer Crypto. Let's do it, baby. Okay, so I was watching the Crypto Face interview. Shout out to Crypto Face. He's a great crypto YouTuber. Justin's son, okay? You see this lad right here. He is the CEO of TRON, and they were just talking about TRON, their utility, what the plans are. Overall, great interview. Maybe I'll do a reaction to this or a breakdown. I'll talk about TRON in a future video. But listen very carefully, okay? Crypto Face asks Justin what he thinks about China's impact on the crypto markets. And this is some very important information that you don't really hear much on crypto Twitter. You don't really hear this from CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, the big Twitter people, the big YouTubers. Listen to this.
I joined crypto around 2012, right? So in the past 10 years, we have seen 3 crypto bull markets. So in 2013, in 2017 and 2021, right? So in these 3 bull markets, actually Chinese dominate the first 2, right? So in 2013, Bitcoin price goes up to $1,500 in China, actually. So at that time, like US is only like $1,000. So China even have like 30 to 50% of the premium at those time. I think that's like first bull markets. And second bull markets, right? ISOH is also dominated by Chinese users. Basically, at that time, like Bitcoin goes up to $19,000, right? Which is even higher than what we have today. So this is also driven by majority of the buying power is come from China.
Okay.
So 2021 is the only one like bull markets driven by US markets. So we have seen a huge buying power from like Coinbase at that time. You know, even in US dollars, there is a premium about cryptocurrency.
Is it because that we bought most of it? Like China was mining it, like the miners were in China. Is it because the miners left China, or is it because we just bought most of it and it's not being mined as much anymore? Like why is it just that simple that we bought it all?
Yes, I think that one of the most important reason is the Federal Reserve mint lots of US dollars. So, and those US dollars flood into cryptocurrency markets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I believe for the next bull markets, it's gonna still driven by by Chinese users.
Okay.
Because, you know, like recently China have lifted all the COVID ban, and also China stock market has started to get back to like the bull market, right? So you see like all the Chinese related stock like gold price go like crazy. So that's why I think all the Chinese people will get back to their normal life, start to get into crypto. So that's why right now we are starting to list the digital yuan dollar compared to US dollars, and I believe Chinese yuan will be the next like one of the biggest reason for the crypto bull markets for the next time.
Yeah, I mean, like I'm like wrapping my head around it. Like we think like Tether's big, you know what I mean? Which is also like a big risk too. Like we don't really I think if the Chinese government actually like backed a stable token, that's a really big deal. And you're talking about like a lot of money being able to hunker down and flow in. Damn, bro.
Yes, I think we are talking about like trillions of dollars here.
Yeah.
If Chinese get into crypto, I believe like Bitcoin can easy to pass at least like $200K.
I'm on like the verge of tears. I'm on the verge of tears right now.
Yes.
Damn.
200. He's like, he believes $200,000 Bitcoin is possible. This is nuts. It's nuts to hear that coming from the founder of Tron, man. Like, because this guy deals basically with a lot of stable coins. Like, he deals his entire protocol. The point of Tron is to just be a settlement layer, and he's constantly working with governments, CBDCs, businesses to help them transact, right, between Tether, USDD, all these other stable coins, whatever they may be called. And it's very interesting. It is a good point that, like, yeah, like China is ahead with CBDCs. They are ahead with this digital yuan. And I know there's some people that say like CBDCs are going to destroy the world. But that being said, it does open up a point where a lot of these people can, pretty much in a heartbeat, get involved in crypto and become crypto curious. And we're talking lots of liquidity, like lots. So it's really fascinating. I think it's a reason to be very bullish. It's sick. I'm super stoked, and these are those things going on in the underbelly that like all you hear is like Federal Reserve this, Federal Reserve that. Like, man, who cares what's going on there? There are these whole other markets doing their own thing, absolute behemoths that are going to have massive impacts. We have to look at the whole picture. Obviously, U.S. markets are still number one. Yes, it impacts the market, but let's just try to have a holistic picture here and not get too caught up in the short term. Remember that, like, stack your coins and hold them for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Because eventually, not financial advice, but eventually it's going to pay off. Anyways, if you're curious on how to make money in crypto in a zero risk way where you're not constantly losing your money and YOLOing all your guap, and you're just trading all the time and stressed, growing gray hairs like me, and all of your cash keeps going to zero. Like, trading works, right? Trading works, but it works until it doesn't. And the master traders know this best, and they're really good at risk management, but most of you are horrible at it, and you're gonna get wiped the F out. What if I told you there was a simple, easy, stable way to make money, whether we're in a bull or a bear market? You can make money, consistently good money, in the bear market, and you can make a killing in the bull market. What if I told you that exists? What if I told you literally there are thousands of opportunities right now in crypto to make cash, stable cash, no risk, no trading? Does that sound interesting? Check out what I have down in the description. In the description of this video, in the pinned comment, I've left a free training video as well as a worksheet. It's called the Skill Matrix. These are all the skill sets that are highly valuable, from the easiest to the more difficult ones, that can earn you some serious cash flow, some income. So you don't have to be so emotionally attached to your bag when you want to, buy that altcoin or buy some Bitcoin. So you can just buy it, store it, make more money, buy the coins, store them. It's just so much better. It's changed my life. I know it's going to change yours. So check out what I got down there. I'm just going to ask for your email. I'm going to send you that free training to your inbox. Check it out. And that's everything. Peace.